The master to inspire your weekly painting is Pierre-Auguste Renoir, a leading artist in the development of the Impressionism movement. Pierre-Auguste Renoir lived between the years 1841 and 1919. He was a French painter whose artworks shaped an entirely modern visual idiom. Renoir's paintings are celebration of beauty. He expresses beauty especially in his feminine sensuality. He usually paints pleasant occasions in his artworks. Every one of his canvases reflects celebration of the simple pleasures of life. Renoir's art style is known for its luminosity. His paintings convey a sense of lightness and movement. He expresses the human form in disconnected strokes or touches of paint that seem to break the form rather than making it. Figures in Renoir's paintings are expressed with numerous rapidly applied overlapping touches of the paintbrush. Instead of blending colors smoothly on his palette, he applies them directly to the canvas in small, distinct strokes. This technique allows the viewer's eyes to mix the colors at a distance, giving the painting a vibrant, dynamic feel. Through the encouragement of his friend Claude Monet, Renoir learned to handle paint lightly and freely. Although both artists use loose brushstroke and broken color in their paintings, their technique is completely distinguished from each other. Monet uses harsh and clearly defined brushstrokes through the use of thick pigments and flat-ended brushes, while Renoir uses thinned paint to create fluid strokes of color that shimmer across his canvases. Renoir uses bold combination of pure complementary colors in his artwork to capture the light and movement in the landscapes and figures. He eliminates details in his paintings to give a sense of spontaneity and movement to the overall impression of a scene. Pierre-Auguste Renoir was born in Limoges in southwestern France. He began his artistic career with painting on porcelain. He moved to Paris when he was 20 years old and joined the studio of the trendy painter Charles Glier. Encouraged by Monet and Cicely, he joined a group of the artists who were not accepted at the Salon exhibitions. He worked together with Monet painting and sketching on the Seine River. Their experiments in working together created the new painting style of Impressionism that led the art world to an entirely new direction. After exhibiting 3 times with the Impressionists, Renoir broke away from the group and infused his later paintings with an increasingly monumental style. While his fellow Impressionists Claude Monet and Edgar Degas pursued the effects of light nearly to the edge of abstraction, Renoir created a solid, almost sculptural quality in the figures and landscapes he painted during the latter years of his career. Renoir died at the age of 78 after suffering a heart attack. From the time of his death on, his artworks have been exhibited regularly at the museums across the globe, including National Gallery of Art in Washington, D.C. Renoir's paintings have been offered at auctions multiple times with a record price of up to about $25 million.